The ProMaster small block is a tiny, rechargeable, weather-resistant LED light. It utilizes a chip-on-board light source which reduces the unusual specular highlights and shadows sometimes found with LED panels. It offers a clean, consistent, daylight-balanced 5600K color temperature and has a TLCI rating of 95+. At maximum power, the small block produces an impressive output of 325 lux at 1 meter. Using the small block couldn't be easier. One button controls the power and allows you to choose from one of 4 brightness settings. At maximum power, the integrated rechargeable battery provides 60 minutes of run time. At any of the 3 lower power levels, the small block will run continuously when plugged into the included charging cable. Charging this light is simple. Just hold the included magnetic charging cable up to the contacts on the back of the light and it will self-attach. Then plug it into any USB power source. Since there are no ports or openings on the small block, it carries an IP68 rating against water, dust, and dirt and can be fully submerged up to 33 feet. On the bottom of the small block is a built-in 1/4-20 threaded port which allows you to connect the light directly to a tripod, light stand, or another piece of grip equipment. There's also a cold foot included so you can mount the light directly to your camera. The back of the small block is magnetic so you can mount the light to a metal surface. A variety of helpful light modifiers are included. The soft white diffuser simply slips over the front of the light, while all of the other modifiers use a magnetic mounting system. The entire kit can be stored in the included thermoform case, so you can take this light with you anywhere.